Head over heels for that someone. Head for the hills for nothing, nothing. Running, scared, screaming at the top of my lungs and my many minds.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do bantu nuts because I've been seeing the girlies eating up bantu nuts. I watched the video and decided to try for the first time. So let's get into it. If you're new here, my name is Magdalena. I'm to talk about fashion, travel, and lifestyle. So what do you need? You need braids, or most probably mine is Brazilian wool that I decided to use. Then you need edge control, not that much. Then you also need you can use gel in place of edge control, but edge control will hold better. Then you also use rubber band, which is that's baby rubber band they use for children's hair. Then me showing you my hair whenever I losing my hair breakage, I just keep it somewhere just to keep it safe. So first thing first, you're going to part your hair into two sections, the back section and the front section. That's the only way I know I can manage it, but if you go to the salon they know how to figure that out. So after parting it into two sections, the next thing I pack the back section aside, which you see in the next clip, and decided to start working with the front section first. So I apply edge control, then I use the rubber band to hold it tight. So when you use edge control a little bit and add the rubber band, it's easier for you to hold and manage, and also keep the hair sleek and tight, which is something I really do feel like it's necessary when it comes to this bantu knot. So after you are able to hold it down, which is something I'm going to show you guys, I hold it down, I'm going to just rinse and repeat. Then the next step is to make the hair into a twist. So normally when you want to manage your natural hair or to stretch your natural hair, you always make it into a twist. So that's what I did. So I did many other twists for the front section and repeated the same twist for the back section. So I did it section by section, and you can see the next clip I've already done all the sections, and I did one of the knots off camera. Now I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the bantu knots on camera. So here, so when I said I get my Brazilian wool, then I use my crochet pin. Crochet pin is going to be easier for you if you're going to be making the hair yourself. And if you're a braider, you don't really need crochet pin, you braid your hair yourself. But this is easier because you just pass the hair through your hair, then you non twist it out. So for me, I'm just retaining or maintaining twist. The hair is already twisted, so I decided to just twist the Brazilian wool around it. That's what I do. But most people can also braid around too. So I twisted this and I continued the bantu knot. And you can see if you don't twist properly or follow the direction you already started, it gets confusing. So anyway, so what I did was just keep rinse and repeating. So you see how long my twist out is. If I now put it round to make the circle, and you keep twisting and tying it down. It depends on the length you want. See, the first one I had was big, not that big, but the next one goes to, it's going to be very tall. But it depends on you. So just keep rolling it around it. You can make them fatter or thinner, just like as it comes to your mind. Then when you are done with passing every single thread around, then you add a rubber band. Most people don't use a rubber band that I've watched on YouTube here, but using a band at the end of it is just to put it in place. And because this bantu knot I'm talking about currently in this video, I've worn it for the whole week and it's still in good condition. I think it's because the rubber band was used to hold it. Then I decided to complete the remaining bantu knots on camera. And that fly away, you can see, I know you can see that, you'll use my scissors to just clip it so that it's going to put it in a good condition. It's more like you're braiding. And if you're paying attention, you notice I made a mistake when I said to go, was it clockwise or I don't remember my mathematics. But when you don't go in the direction that you started in, it's as if you are loosening the bantu knot instead of making the bantu knot. You get what I mean? So this is how I continued to make the twist. And when I was done with all the bantu knots, I put them with band, just hold it down. And I'm wondering I'm going to be using this knot someday, but yeah, this is how the finished look like. I'm done with the front, and I finished the back section. Just basically rinse and repeat, repeating what I did. You need a crochet pin to actually do this, but if you are a braider, you know how to braid your own hair, you don't really need the crochet pin. I got this crochet pin because I know to make it easier for me to just pass the hair through the hook, then I'll hold them there. Even if I'm going to braid, to make it easier to hold it in place, which is something that a crochet pin will do for you. So definitely get you one, your hair crochet pin for hair. So this is me repeating the same thing at the back section, and I continue doing the same thing, just to rinse and repeat. Just to rinse and repeat. You'll be imagining how was I able to make the twist at the back look so good. Don't worry, you will see it in the next clip. If you're able to maintain the same neatness, the same way you're able to twist it, and Funny enough, it's going to also look good at the back. Just keep maintaining how you're twisting it, following the twist the same way you did it, and you could see the front. I can only imagine how it's going to be at the back. But it actually turned that pretty well. You will see it in the next insert where I finally show you guys the finished look, how it looks like, and all that. So bantu knots to me has always been something I wanted to try. But initially I wanted to do with my natural hair, but I realized that with braid it makes it look better, it makes it look more expensive, make it look more chic, so you can see the finished look. Guys, the back is not that bad, right? Let me know in the comment section, how do you see the back section? So next thing I decided to do is to do the loop that many of the guys like doing, just to lay the front edges down. And that's what I'm simply doing here. I decided to lay the front edges down. And I'm thinking of getting a edge brush instead of using the toothbrush, but guys, it does the job well. Can't you see? So you see it in the clip where I said to use my edge toothbrush to lay down my edges to create that soup that I love. But I don't really like the extreme soup that the ladies do. But yes, this is me swooping out the hair into nice soup doop things, and it's really really looking nice and beautiful. So yeah, this is my first time doing a bantu knot. Rate me down in the comment section. What do you guys think? If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. It tells YouTube that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to this channel till that time. Bye guys. Bye.
And my many minds, my many minds. My heart doesn't